What's up, YouTube? I'm tapping in, guys. Another day is in the books. If you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. Check it out. We had FOMC. Told you guys that it was going to be a wild day. And then our credit, guys, it went to the upside. I couldn't be more happy. I've seen stocks take off today. Again, let me know, okay, if you made money today. I often tell you guys the fact that FOMC, CPI, any of those events brings volatility, and volatility is nothing more than an opportunity for you guys to make money, okay? So I tell you each and every time these things come around, I want you to embrace it. I want you to lean into these events because sometimes, guys, you can make a boatload of money off of these events. You can make up for any losses you may have had on these events, or you can complete the dang near 100K challenge off of just taking advantage of these crazy wild moves on days like today, okay? Once again, man, major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day, okay? Now check this out. Some stocks that are going to explode based off of this continuation of momentum into tomorrow, guys. I want a couple of these on your radar, okay? Number one, I want you guys to be paying attention to Tesla, okay? It hit and got through some key levels today, which means we got a little more upside, okay, over the next 1 to 2 weeks, okay? Apple got as high as 178 today, okay? You guys lucky I don't have my charts and I can't get to my studio to show you guys exactly what we talked about in this play, okay? I want you guys to look for 178 tomorrow. And if we can get and clear 178, that opens the door for that 179, possibly 180, 181 by Friday, okay? Again, it can easily pull back. So I'm just telling you some upside targets to be on the lookout for, okay? Then NVIDIA is one that is going to finally wake back up. I want you guys to be thinking about 930, a return to that level, 975, and then 1,000, okay? You got 3 targets for you guys to the upside. So on any pullback, I want you guys to be thinking, Coach told me this is going up overall. So when it pulls back, I want you to think this may be a possible entry. And if it's at support, it is certainly an entry. Always identify 3 levels of support so that you understand clearly what you're doing so that you don't panic and trick yourself out of a play, okay? And then SoFi, you see how yesterday it was $6 and today it's almost $8. You guys peep SoFi, and then Palantir. I'm gonna close it out with those handful of stocks that are going to explode for tomorrow. Now check this out. You got to have a trading plan, okay? So stocks went up today. Don't rule out a little give back on tomorrow, okay? Don't rule out a little profit taking, okay? Write this down. Word of the day, profit taking. Coach, what exactly is profit taking? Profit taking is nothing more than an event of buyers who are now locking in profit. But here's the caveat. When you lock in profit, it automatically makes the stock price drop. Okay, so if you're going to get a drop in price, that just simply means, oh, yep, they're seeing profit, taking profit. Let them let it come down, okay, and then boom, you're going to get back in for a rinse and repeat type of opportunity. So for example, Apple got to 178, and after hours they've been profit taking. So now it's 176 in after hours, okay? So around 176 tomorrow, if it opens up at this level, you can rebuy Apple or get into it for the first time if you haven't been in it, and ride it back to 178, 179, and 180, okay? And then when it get to 180, they're gonna profit take again, and then it'll drop to 178. And it just keeps repeating these cycles time and time again, okay? So understand the dynamics of the market and how it actually works, okay? With that being said, Tesla also is starting to wake up a little bit. Remember, guys, I was buying this in the low 160s, okay? And when it wakes up, it is like waking up a beast. and the stock goes crazy, okay? And I love they opened the day at resistance. Resistance was 172, okay? But I knew if they can get to 172, they have a little bit of room to run. They can get busy a little bit, okay? And sure enough, they were able to finally clear that level and get a little wind behind itself, okay? So I'm excited about that. I won't rule out though a pullback still, okay, because we're not in the clear yet. We got to still get back to 180 and then 183. Above 183, we going crazy, okay? Above 183, we can get back to 200, but we're not there yet. So you got to crawl before you walk. You got to take this game in incremental steps, okay? So Tesla, I want on your radar to the upside for tomorrow. So look, when we talk about upside, you have to get the entry on the downside. So you want to embrace, you need to get happy if you see, for example, if you see 168, 163, I'm telling you the upside target so that you know that that's a good buy zone. Does that make sense, guys? You need to buy on pullbacks or at support. If you can do that, your win is bigger. Your profit is bigger. Okay, you can hold a little longer because you're not buying at the top, hoping it go higher. No, we're buying on a pullback and we're trusting the process. So again, I want you to welcome any pullback in the stock on tomorrow because I'm telling you, coach is telling you, the sign we got today from the FOMC meeting tells us that overall we're going higher. So any pullback you see, you just need to know that's a positioning ordeal. That's just a posture and position play so everybody can get back in that might have took profits. Everybody can get back in that missed the ride the first time so that they can go back to the upside, okay? Understand these little nuanced moves they like to pull on Wall Street, okay? That's all you'll be seeing yourself kind of deal with as it relates to that, all right? And then last but not least, guys, remember to trade with a plan. Okay, you're going to have another FOMC. You're going to have another CPI at some point in time. You're going to have another PCE report. You're going to have earnings seasons come back around. Okay, all of these things will serve as catalysts for you to be able to make money. Okay, now listen to this. Today, money was made to the upside. I want you to keep making money to the upside because the trend is your friend, okay? But there will come a day when stocks are going down, and I need you to be flexible and nimble in your trading plan and be open and willing to making money when stocks go to the downside. Don't be doom and gloom, guys. Some of your most life-changing plays can happen when things are going down too. So right now we're going up, okay? If we pull back tomorrow, write this down. A pullback is a chance for me to get my entry better. I can get in lower. I'm buying low because I'm going to ride it up and sell it high. Okay, that's what we're looking for tomorrow. We're going to either, write this down, Coach said, we're going to either gap up or we're going to sell off and pull back in the morning, but it's only preparing for eventual run back up. So listen to this before you guys get out of here. If we gap up tomorrow, that's going to be continuation higher. We're going to go to the next leg, okay? We're going to hit the next level, whatever price. So for SPY, let me give you guys the levels. If we gap up tomorrow, SPY will hit 525, okay? If we gap down tomorrow, we going to run back up to close the gap. You see how every scenario still end with the stock going up? So understand that. If we gap down tomorrow on Tesla, we're going to go back to the upside over the next 1 to 3 days, okay? If we gap down tomorrow in Apple is real strong right now. It's definitely going back to 177, 178, okay? So you need to understand that dynamic. So I don't care what you play. Anything you play on tomorrow, the pullback is an opportunity for you to get a better entry, okay? Until they show you otherwise. Now, if they get to breaking down 3 levels of support, then you need to say, okay, they don't bust through everything. Maybe it's time to pivot. Until that happens, though, guys, stay the course, okay? Stay the course. With that being said, guys, listen, we got another day tomorrow. to perfect the craft. I want you to get 1% better every day. I don't want you to overtrade. I want you to trade with an actual plan and stick to the plan, okay? I want you to trade with an actual plan and stick to your plan. If your plan is to take profit when you're up $200, I want you to do that. If your plan is to trade and then if you down $200, you cut the play, I want you to stick to that. All of these things instills discipline so that as you go further along on your journey, guys, you're putting the right attributes into your trading style so that your execution aligns with your plan aligns with your philosophy, and everything comes together for the greater good, okay? So understand the dynamics of that, all right? With that being said, we're going to get up out of here. I'll see you guys first thing in the Discord so we can knock it out the park. We are going to hit SPY and Tesla out the park first thing in the morning, okay? So that you guys can set the tone for what? Wednesday, Thursday, whatever day it's going to be, all right? And then we're going to just ride that momentum so that Friday sets the standard and we're going to finish strong. We're going to keep putting the smack down on the market, guys. I want to see you guys in there first thing. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my links below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.